Guru Nation, welcome to another episode of the YouTube channel, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever you're going to be. This is going to be a quick, short one because we have, first of all, it's so hard to get CRA Academy students when they get hired to come back and do a testimonial. It's like 1 out of 20 maybe. So I caught you before you start, Monica, because I know you're going to get busy. So this is your last day off. Enjoy, because
Yeah,
Monday you're starting, right? Monday you're starting work.
yeah, from Monday I'm starting.
So Monica's a
Yeah.
CRA Academy graduate. You were in the July 2019 class?
Right, July 2019.
July 2019, which ended in October. So that's a 3 month
Yeah,
course. And then you did an internship. You came to California. You did some
yeah.
monitoring with us. And now, for those watching in the future, it's February. So from July when she enrolled until February, what is this? 6 months? Seven? 7 months?
6, 7 months.
6, 7,
Yeah,
it's
around.
about right. It's about what it takes. I usually tell students within 3 to 4 months of completing the course, you should
Yeah,
get interviews. And that's
exactly.
almost exactly right, right? S-
Right.
Good. So, first of all, I mean, I know you personally because I met with you. You came to California. We got to do monitoring together. You did some remote monitoring for me. We still need some of your colleagues to help continue helping me because that's a lot of data. But
Yeah,
you won't have time for this anymore. So, what was your
yeah.
experience like with the CRA Academy and then the internship? Like, what was the best parts and what was the worst parts?
So I would say the best part was the real monitoring experience we got when we visited California, and particularly the oncology one. And I would say that was valuable, and I'm sure we'll not get that type of experience anywhere else. That was the best part, and that experience is helping us right now to get a job.
You see?
Everybody when we go for an interview, everybody asked about that what is that and what did you do in that internship. So that's quite impressive.
Yeah, so thank you. So you just got hired as a CTA. What does that stand for?
So I got hired for clinical trial assistant at a CRO.
At a CRO.
Yeah,
Good. And how many interviews did this take for you to get?
I got hired right away after my interview.
They loved you. They loved your experience you did with us.
They did like that experience I have from your monitoring oncology monitoring experience. They really liked it.
You mean to tell me that that experience, like, did they ask you specific question? Like, how detailed was the interview?
They asked me what exactly did you do in this internship, and they asked me what is the study about, basically which phase the study was, and they asked me what is about your CRO. So I told them about you and Chris, that you have this CRO and what all you do, and I told them about the academy. So they asked me and generally that exactly what all I did there, and they asked me whether I visited site or did I meet PI or CRCs, and how am I with IRB stuff? Do I get any opportunity to learn about IRBs? And I told them about my course content, like site visits and pre-site selection visits, so and feasibility questionnaire. So my work would be related to feasibility part somewhere. So for them, it was like, yes, I'm familiar with everything. So that's why they really liked it. That I'm familiar with all the documents and all the things. So it will be easy for me.
So they verified that you knew what they needed you to do as far as IRB submissions and these things, which we teach in the academy.
Yeah, which you teach in my academy exactly. And they told me that they asked me, since I'm a CRA assistant with you and I'm assisting you, so they asked me whether you want to be a CRA or not. So I told them, yes, I want to be a CRA. So they told me that becoming a clinical trial assistant is a right pathway to be a CRA. And you probably, if you do a good work, then they will provide me an opportunity in future to visit sites too.
Yes.
So
I'm so proud
yeah.
of you, Monica. You are a shining star for us now. And I'm glad. See, when this is why we go through the efforts to make sure students,
Yeah,
first of all, in the 3 months that they understand, then we make sure they pass the final and all their quizzes. You have to pass, not everyone passes. So this is why,
yeah,
because we need you to look good when you interview. Otherwise, they're gonna say, imagine if somebody like failed the class but still went to interview and they said CRA Academy. You know, that's gonna make us look so bad. So that's we try to keep the it's not that challenging, the class, I don't think, but it makes you put in effort to understand the
yeah.
basics, right?
Yeah, you need to know everything what they are teaching in class. So that's obviously easy, but the monitoring, I would say it was challenging. It was not easy at all. You have to be detail oriented. You have to put all your effort in that. And basically, you have to forget everything about your surroundings when you are monitoring. So it's obviously it's a challenging thing. And I loved it. I loved it. I would
This is
love to do
true.
that in my future.
This is true, and you will
Yeah.
make a great monitor, and CTA is a great stepping stone to finish this testimonial, to end it. And thank you again. Good luck when you're starting. There are so many people right now watching that are like you 6 months ago. Okay, they're like,
Yeah.
I don't know. I want to get in, but I have no idea how. I mean, what would you advise to them? What should they do?
So I would exactly say the same thing what you advised us to constantly apply for jobs. I would say that I have applied more than 100 applications and I was constantly applying every day and every place, and clinicaltrials.gov is the best place to find sites. If you think that you are done with applying everywhere and you don't have any place to apply, so clinicaltrials.gov is the best place. And I think reaching out to CRO, CEOs or presidents directly will definitely help to get the job
Wow.
instead of blankly. This is what I did.
So is this how you got your
Yeah.
job? Tell us exactly what you did without mentioning the names and all that. But what did you do to get this job?
So there was a position on Indeed. I applied to that position, and then next day I just opened their website and surfed their website like totally, and tried to find out the contact person. There was no HR person involved in that, so I found out about the president of CRO, and there was a email of CRO over that website. So I tried to contact to that president, and without thinking too much, I just emailed him with my resume and my interest related to clinical research and what all I did. And he immediately replied to me and he asked me to come for interview. This is how I got the job, because applying
Wow.
blank, yeah.
That's amazing. I interviewed a founder of a CRO yesterday. You guys will see this video soon. And that's exactly what he said. He hires people based on persistence. So maybe,
Yeah,
Indeed is one thing to do, but you took it to the next level. You did apply on Indeed, but then you also researched and you emailed somebody important at the company, right? And then sometimes this is what they want to see. They want to see persistence. They don't just want to see you click a button and that's it, you're done. Now you're going to go click 99 more buttons.
right.
This guy knows that you research the site. So this is good. I'm hearing this now twice in a row, 2 days in a row I'm hearing the same story.
That is the best strategy according to me. It really works. It really really works out.
Yeah, and how do you deal with the rejection? Because when you're doing 100 applications, I know when I started it, before I started my clinic, like when I graduated college 15 years ago
Yeah,
now, I know I applied to like 100 places, and I didn't even get one email back. Not even one saying, we looked at your resume, but you're not gonna get it. I got nothing, nothing. So it doesn't
yeah.
make you feel good, right?
Yeah, I used to get that a lot. Rejections is a worst part, I would say, but without getting any rejections, you will not know what success is. And it's a part. I would say it's a part. It will pass away, but don't afraid of rejections at all.
Go for it. Go
Yeah,
towards it.
that's
Go towards it.
exactly. Yeah,
Very good,
go for it.
Monica. We're so proud of you. We need you to come do a motivational, inspirational guest appearance on CRA Academy when you have time. If you have
Sure.
time. Yeah, you're down for that?
Yeah, sure. No
Good.
problem. I
And
would
you
love
were
to.
part of one of our best classes we've ever had. That July class is like a legendary class. So, congrats. You guys are making me proud. Another one now. Thank you so much. Good luck starting on Monday. Learn a lot. And then in 2 or 3
Thank,
months, I'll message you about maybe doing a CRA Academy guest appearance because students want to see their former selves. These
exactly.
students now are you 6 months ago. So they want to see, okay, not so distant future. Look what she did. Okay, this is what happened. So that would be
Yeah,
amazing if you can do that.
yeah. I would love to do that for
Th-
sure.
Thank you, Monica. Congrats again. Best of luck. Have a
Thank you so.
happy weekend, and then great job. Great job. Hats off to you.
Thank you so much, Dan. All thanks to you, I would say. All thanks to the CRA Academy, because without that experience, it was impossible to crack into the industry. And once we crack into the industry, it is easy to grow and reach towards your path.
Exactly. Thank you, Monica, so much. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody, for watching too, and we'll catch you all later.